1949. I'm Katie.
I'm Addie. I'm Sarah. I'm Chloe.
And this is Money Counts.
Today we will be going over the coins section.
We're going to tell you what each or which value of the coins are.
And how to add them up to get other values of other coins.
Woo! Okay. The first coin is the penny.
So the penny is worth 1 cent. The president on it is Abraham Lincoln, and it is more of a copper. It has smooth edges, aside from the quarter and the dime, which don't have smooth edges. And then the next one we're going to go over is the nickel. It is worth 5 cents. It is silver and has Jefferson on it. It has smooth edges, just like the penny. It is bigger than the penny, but it is smaller than a quarter. The next one we're going to go over is the dime. It is worth 10 cents. It has Roosevelt on it, and it is silver, just like the nickel. And it has ridges on it, unlike the penny and the nickel. Then the next one, the last one, is the quarter. It is worth 25 cents, and it has silver on it. It has Washington on it, and it has ridges just like the dime. This is the biggest of our coins. There are other coins out there, but these are the ones you'll typically see at your booth.
So now we're going to go over what adding the coins to get other coins or other values.
So if you can take 5 pennies, these will actually add up to a nickel. Now you try. Pause at home and just try. And we're back. So
if you take 2 nickels, they make a dime. If you want to see that out, because nickels are both 5 cents, and since a dime is 10 cents, they equal a nickel.
Now you try. And then the last conversion we kind of have here, you would take, you actually can't convert those. You would take 2 dimes and a nickel, and that would make a quarter. So this is really helpful because you don't want to count out 100 pennies just to make $1 or something. You want to maybe give them 4 quarters instead, because that's way less change, and you don't want to carry around 100 pennies to give to somebody. You don't want to count it out, because I can't even count out that fast.
And 4 quarters equal $1, and in the next video we'll talk about the amounts of dollars and $5 and how to add them up. So if you take 2 dimes and 2 nickels, what does that add up to? Pause the video at home and try it.
And we're back. So what number did you get? The answer is
30, because both dimes are 10 and 2 nickels is 10, so 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30.
And if you ever do have questions about what added up to what, always ask your troop leader, because she can always help you out, and you don't want to mess up. It just takes practice sometimes, so you'll eventually get better at it. But if you ever do have any questions, just ask your troop leader, and they'll always help you out with it.
We believe in you. You got this. Okay, so if you take 3 quarters and 2 dimes, this is a little harder. What does that equal? Pause the video at home and try to find out what it equals. And we're back. The thing that it equals is 95, because 3 quarters is 75 plus 2 dimes is 95. Now, we're going to do a couple more of these practice problems. If you have 3 nickels and 2 dimes, what does that equal? Pause the video and see if you can find it out. And we're back. If you got 35, that would be correct, because 2 dimes equals 10 each, that'd be 20. 2 nickels is 10, that's 30, and another nickel is 5. So that'd be 35. Would you like to do a practice problem, Chloe?
No. When you do coins, now that our boxes are $5, you probably won't go over coins too much if somebody pays with coins, because you don't really see it too often. But it's always really good to know, because you don't know. Like, somebody may come up with you and they may have 500 pennies. So you'll know that equals $5.
Or instead of $1, you may have 4 quarters, and you could say that's $1.
And that is all the time we have for today. Thanks for watching.